Hello everyone, I am Mrs. K. Vanitha, Assistant Professor working in the Department of ECE at K.S. Rangasamy College of Technology. In this lecture, we are going to see about ultrasonic sensors and their typical applications under the module Transducers and Sensors in the course Electronic Devices. So basically, the ultrasonic sensor, its basics, types, working principle and its use cases will be seen. Ultrasonic sensor is a pivotal component in the modern technology, extensively used across various applications from industrial automation to medical devices. So by basic understanding of what ultrasonic sensor is, how it works, its types and its applications, it will provide valuable insights into their functionality and significance. First of all, what is an ultrasonic sensor? So this is the image of the ultrasonic sensor where it uses transmitter, receiver which sends ultrasonic waves, and we'll be having crystal oscillator and there are pins which will be connected to the circuit. So ultrasonic sensor is a device that utilizes ultrasonic waves to measure distance or detect objects. It emits high frequency sound waves which will be in the range of 20 kHz to 1 MHz and measure the time it takes for the echo to return after bouncing an object. So it will send the high frequency waves to an object and it measures the time it takes the sound wave return from the object. This time of flight measurement will allow the sensor to calculate the distance to the object with high precision. So it is mainly used for application ideally where non-contact distance measurement is crucial, such as medical devices, automotive, parking sensors, industrial automation. Types of ultrasonic sensor basically proximity sensors, distance measurement sensors. Each will be having its own functionalities and applications. Proximity sensors which will detect the presence of object within the specific range. It will trigger an action when object enters the sensor's detection zone. Proximity sensor. This is the picture of the proximity sensor which is used in applications where automated door openers, obstacle detection in robotics, level sensing in tanks. In automated door open systems, which the sensor detects a person's presence and open the door automatically. Distance measurement sensors, which will measure the distance to an object by calculating the time it takes for the ultrasonic pulse to travel to the object and back to the sensor, which is mainly used in applications such as robotics where accurate distance measurement is needed, and also used in application such as industrial automation for object positioning, robotics for navigation and the vehicle parking assistance systems. When we look at the working principle of ultrasonic sensors, and this is the ultrasonic sensors and a receiver and transmitter which will send the ultrasonic waves to the target object and it will find the time it takes for the signal to return back, which will be used to detect the distance of the object. So transmitter, receiver, ultrasonic transducer, which will be ultrasonic transducer and will be having signal processor. This transmitter converts electrical energy into ultrasonic waves. Receiver will convert the ultrasonic waves back to the electrical signal. The signal processor will calculate the distance to the object based on the time interval of the sound wave transmission and reception, which includes amplifier, filter and ADC, analog to digital converter, for accurate measurement of the distance. The detailed application of ultrasonic sensors will include level measurement used in tanks in order to find the level of the liquid and solids, distance measurement, precision object placement, and quality control when it employs in the industrial automation. Object detection and avoidance, so obstacle detection and navigation where in case of robotics in automatic vehicles. Medical imaging, in the medical diagnosis it is used to create images of internal body structures. Automotive applications where parking assistance systems needed, this ultrasonic sensors are used. Industrial automation where the production lines, in case of production lines where in case of positioning of the products inside the case, the ultrasonic sensors are used. Environmental monitoring, the environmental parameters such as wind speed, water levels and other environmental parameters are measured by means of this ultrasonic sensors. So in this lecture we have seen about what the ultrasonic sensor is and its types, working principle of an ultrasonic sensor, and the various applications of ultrasonic sensor. Thank you.